Welcome. Here is a really sweet little meditation for inner ear balancing. So if you found that you have experienced vertigo or something in your life has come out of balance symbolically or even literally, here is a really interesting meditation to use. We're going to be using mantra, sound vibration, intentional focal points on the body, and our fingers. So join me now. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. And before we begin, take a look at the description box below. This will give you all different ways to work with me in terms of teacher training as well as a numerology session. So if you want more information and more contact, please go ahead and take a look at the links below. So in order to prepare, sit up tall and straight. If you're sitting on a chair, settle your feet flat on the ground. If you're sitting on the ground, make sure you're comfortable and you feel that your back is supported. Bring your palms together at the center of your chest. Close your eyes, focus in between the eyebrows and slightly above. We're just going to take 3 long breaths today to get centered, get grounded, and prepare for our practice. So inhale very deeply and exhale completely. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Good. So when you bring your hands together, you bring negative and positive, masculine, feminine, all the dualities that exist within us and around us, we bring that into balance by placing our palms together. And so that's the beginning of today's practice. Get yourself really comfortable now. We're using a mantra. Mantra is a sound vibration in the sacred language of Gurmukhi. And Gurmukhi is inspired by and used by the Sikh faith in order to bring about this essence of God and the essence of creative force. So if God's not your flavor, then think about creation, the universe, a way of thinking about the infinite. And that's really what we want to tap into. We're using this mantra, Wahe Guru. So the sounds are Wahe Guru. And so as you think about or sound those mantra, pieces of that mantra, imagine energy moving from your navel center, your heart space, and your throat space. So we're basically clearing third, fourth, and fifth chakra. Now here's where it gets even more interesting is that we're going to take our fingers and place them inside of our ears. So we're really blocking off external sound in order to really focus on the sound within. So join me now. Place your fingers inside of your ears. You may want to listen to this explanation before you do that. But remember, the sound vibration is Wahe Guru. And we're going to chant that slowly in a monotone, and we're going to imagine the energy moving from the navel center to the heart space to the throat space, clearing up all of the energy around our third, fourth, and fifth chakra. Placing your hands into your ears now, index fingers in, relax, close your eyes, place them in between the eyebrows and slightly above, and let's begin. Wahe Guru. 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 Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Relax your hands all the way down. Take another deep inhale. Exhale. And one more time, inhale very deeply. And exhale. That was a really good example of listening within, of blocking out all the external circumstances and really focusing on our inner voice. I hope you found that as powerful as I did. This is a really interesting meditation. 40 days is a good amount of time to try it out. And if you feel like 40 days is a bit of a stretch and you're just starting out, try 5 days, try 11 days. Do every day a little bit and notice how much your life can change. We're going to close our practice now with a long Sat short Nam, pressing the palms together at the center of your chest. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Please ground yourself, bring your forehead and your palms to the ground or fingertips to the forehead, bowing in reverence to your practice for your time with your sweet self. And before we go, I wanted to let you know that this is the sacred language of Gurmukhi that we're using in these practices. The tradition of yoga is thousands of years old. It predates written, recorded history. These are the teachings. They come to us through student to student to student. And if you're looking to explore that relationship between you and the teachings, take a look at the Kundalini Yoga Teacher Training. I'm the lead instructor, and this is my joy to pass it on, to make sure that you feel connected to the teachings and that you can move them forward in your life and the community that you come from. So Wahe Guru is the mantra of ecstasy. It is the merger of the finite and the infinite. Very powerful way to lead yourself. Until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Like and follow for more.